Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine at your home. I am here your computer teacher Miss Nida, and today our topic is computer viruses. So first of all we will learn about the history of virus. Students, the first computer virus was called Creeper. It was invented in the early 1970s. Since then, millions of the viruses have been invented. The first known computer virus was written in 1981 by a man named Rich Skenta. This virus was termed Elk Cloner and was the first computer virus to appear outside the computer where it was created in. What a computer virus do? A virus tries to take control of computer system it has infected at the first opportunity available. It makes copies of itself and also try to carry harmful tasks written in its program. This process can happen so quickly that the user is not even aware of the presence of a virus in his or her computer. How does viruses spread? A virus can only spread from one computer to another when its host is taken to the uninfected computer, for instance by a user sending it over a network or the internet, or by carrying it on a removable medium such as a floppy disk, CD or USB drive. Symptoms of a computer virus. The computer runs slower than usual. The computer crashes and then it restarts every few minutes. Applications on the computer do not work correctly. Disk or disk drives are inaccessible. You see unusual error messages. An antivirus program cannot be installed on the computer or the antivirus program will not run. New icons appear on the desktop that you did not put. There are lots of viruses, but here we will discuss few of them. For example, program virus, boot virus, macro virus, malware virus, worm virus, Trojan horse, spyware, spam. Boot viruses. The boot virus copies the virus code in the boot sector. Macro viruses. Macro are blocks of code written to automate frequently performed tasks and embedded in a program file. Worms. Worms are programs that replicate and spread to other systems. Trojans. A Trojan is a program file that claims to do something but it actually does something that is not required. Malware. Malware from the words malicious and software is a software designed to infiltrate or damage a computer system without the owner's informed consent. It includes spyware, adware, computer worms, and Trojan horses. Spam refers to unsolicited, unwanted email. It may carry advertisements or serve as a means to spreading malware like viruses and worms. Some ways of avoiding spam are: do not give your email address to unknown people. Delete spam mails without reading them. Dear students, hope you will understand each and everything about the virus, computer virus. So now we will discuss about your homework. So first of all, you will write the answer of given question in your copy. Question number 1. Define a computer virus. How can it harm your computer? Question number 2. How does a computer virus spread from one computer to another? After that, you will do research work. Search on internet what was the first computer virus. Thank you so much.